Hi everyone, Petal is Bless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with some more glam DIYs to share with you guys. Share with you because I got some more items from BB Crafts. Yeah, so I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. This is my package. I got this bling chain from them. It's blue, as you can see, and this is how it looks. It's very nice. So I got 2 of these, and of course I have the silver, and this is the silver one, and here's how the silver chain looks. Very nice. So I got 2 of the silver chains from them too, and then I got the chain in a pink, and this is how the pink chain looks. I only got 1 of the pink chains. I think it looks very nice. I want to see if it will, how it match up with the other items I have in rose gold, because rose gold is of a pinkish color. Yeah, so I'm gonna pair that with some rose gold. And I got a large bling wrap in blue. This is how the blue looks. I think it looks very nice. So these are the items I got from BB Craft, and I will leave a link below for BB Craft. And if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you'll hit that subscribe button so you'll become one of my glamsters. And if you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Alright, my glamsters, I think we'll be using these items here and this for today's glam DIY. So you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright, my glamsters, we have our bowl here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we have our blue bling wrap, yes, from BB Craft. And I cut it into strips, as you can see here, single strips. So we're going to use our hot glue and glue our strips going down right around the vase.
She's so vibey, she's so vibey, she's so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving. I won't lie, I'm no shy guy. I'm alive, as long as I have it, you by my side, yeah. I'm alright, yeah. There's no way that I can do this all by myself, yeah. Ooh, you stay on my mind.
And here's our vase, how it looks, all done. I think it looks very nice. I like the blue bling wrap. And now I'm going to glam it out with these gems that you can get from Walmart or from Dollarama. If you're over here, you can also get these strips at Dollarama. So I'll be adding them just like the bling wrap, going all the way around, and I'm just putting the glue at the top and the glue at the bottom. And remember, you can use any adhesive you like to glue down your project with.
So vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing.
And here is our jar all done. I think it looks very nice. So now we're moving on to the next part of our vase. Yes, I have this vase here.
I don't want to see you walk.
And we are going to use the bling chains from BB Craft, and also the nice gems that you can get, like I said, from Walmart or Dollarama. And I'll be using hot glue and some E6000. And now we're just going to glue everything going right round our vase. And I'll be doing 2 rows of the bling gems. And now for our glam chain. Our blue glam chain, I'll be using the E6000 to glue it down, and again I'll be going right around the vase with our bling chain. Yes.
Vibey, I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing, we're just vibing.
And I'm going around our vase 5 times. So now we're going to add some more of the bling gems, going right around 2 times, and then continue with the bling chain another 5 times, and continue on right up to the center of our vase. So here's our pattern all here, like what I told you I was doing, the bling gems and everything going right up. So now we're going to use our silver bling chain, and the same thing, I'll be using the E6000, and then we're going to be going around and around all the way up near to the top of our vase. And it's very simple, just place it down and go around. Just make sure the chain is going on with the bling sides up, because it's very easy for the chain to twist. So just pay attention to what you're doing. And of course it's the E6000, so it can move. So you just place your project properly and neatly how you want it to be. And here's our finished look, everyone. I think it looks lovely, and of course I glued the 2 pieces together using some E6000, and of course you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your project, and I always tell you guys that. So I just love how this turned out. Look at the bling chain, oh my gosh, in the blue. Oh, and the blue bling wrap, I think it looks absolutely lovely. Along with the silver bling wrap going on half the way up. Here's our glam vase with a LED light inside the bottom, a push light that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just placed it in there, turn it on, and it gives our vase a whole new dimension. It will look lovely on our center table. A lovely centerpiece for our table, all lit up. I think it looks glamorous and nice. Even if you want it as a piece of home decor, it will look lovely also. And here we go with flowers in our vase. Yes, doesn't it look lovely? It will make an absolutely lovely wedding centerpiece. I think it looks beautiful. And these candle holders I made also from BB Craft using their bling chain also. I will put a link up below here, so you guys, if you didn't see that video, you can check and see how they are made. But they are made with a thicker chain than the one I'm using today, as you can see the difference between the 2 of them. And here we go with the lights out for your evening, as your evening winds down and you dim the lights within the hall. Doesn't this look absolutely beautiful? I think it looks lovely and nice. I love it with the lights, with the LED lights. It looks absolutely beautiful. And I will leave a link below to all the products that I've used with BB Craft for this DIY, so you guys can go down and check them out. Alright, my glamsters, I hope you enjoyed today's glam DIY. And using the items from BB Craft. And like I said, I'll leave a link below to all that info where you guys can go over and get some nice things for yourself. Also, everything will be listed down below. Alright, my glamsters, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And don't forget to like, comment, and thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone.
I need you. Oh, I need you. Oh, need you. Girl, I won't lie. I need you. I need you.